Cellies, what are they in prison, and how do you get one? I spent 23 years in the Supermax federal prison located in Marion, Illinois as a guard. Now, cellies have no application to a Supermax prison. Cellies are the roommates that you have in a medium and below, but not maximum security, and especially not Supermax. So the only reason I know about these is that they downgraded us in the 2000s after the ADX came online in Colorado, and we became a medium prison. So what it is, they had these pods that they were making elsewhere. They brought them to us already assembled on trucks and put them all together with glue basically and made these new pods, and inside these new pods had large cells where they kept 6 or more inmates. And the way that we chose them is by race. All the blacks in one, the whites in another, the American Indians in yet another, and Hispanics in other cells. Now, in prison, everyone is a racist, at least on their side of the bars. If a white guy gets into a fight, all the white guys got to back him up. Black guy, all the black guys got to back him up. And that's how prison riots, at least the 2 in the federal system that I was involved with and the 1 in the military one, kicked off. It all started over a white guy and a black guy getting in a fight, and the next thing you know, everybody's fighting. Even the Hispanics got to start defending themselves. So a cellie, that roommate, is chosen not by the prisoners but by us, the staff, and we do it by race to keep them from killing each other. And matter of fact, that's what happened in the last killing that I was around at USP Marion. Was in medium security. A Native American decided to take a razor that he disassembled and gut his cellie and try to pull his heart out. But he told me that it's really difficult to pull the heart out. You can get a hold of it and you can pull on it really, really hard, but it's hard to get it out. And he just couldn't do it. And I later learned from our PA that you're supposed to use both hands and put them into the chest cavity and cut his heart out. So if you're ever needing to cut your cellie's heart out, you got to go through his abdomen and use both hands. That's from what I understand from the experiences. Now, if you've liked this video, don't be an ass. Hit the like button down there, will you? And subscribe too, please.